Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guys, you all know that Dominic Zaqa has been trending, right? And some of us did make a few comments about it on the TikTok streets. However, it also reached the Twitter streets, formerly known as X, right? So, a guy by the name of Charlie Africa decided to write and said, another unpopular opinion is this Dominic guy is a bully, right? He lives with this notion that people are scared of him, going as far as making people lose their jobs because they have an opinion about your weight sexuality is disgusting. Yet he is exposing his life to public, and then he did a trash emoji, right? But that was not what got to me, right? The comments also got to me. I was like, okay, let me read what are they saying in the comment. They are saying in the comment, he or she must be cancelled, meaning Udominic. And then the response was, I don't even care. He must just calm down. He is doing a lot. Ke monna ene banna batena. Okay. And then banna batena, guys, we love men. We cannot live without men. I'm just saying that out loud, right? Okay. And then the response was, please do not discriminate. First saw him on that Moja Love show. He was mean-spirited. It's evident that who he is in real life. He is a mean person. Makeup and wig are only thing that bring joy to his life. These now are people having an opinion about Dominic as per the exposure and as per the trend that is happening. Another one wrote in a defense of Dominic, exposing one's life to the public does not mean they have to endure gag, right? Stop trying to control how people react to your disrespect. Then the response was, so going to people's workplaces, getting them fired, asking on a public platform, which he decided to post, why is he dressed in an appropriate way? Getting someone fired affects an entire family livelihood. It's okay not to flex. And then the response was, if you don't do anything wrong on harm or harmful to another, you won't get fired. Your employer is not mad. Lol. Some employers are mad. If they were not there wouldn't be. The word is unfair or dismissal. But guys, nonetheless, I believe my 2 cents. No one should be fired just because of social media things. If something is out of control or hurtful or is hurting you as an individual, or a comment is that harmful, get a person arrested. The police deal with that person and let the person suffer the consequences of what they have done. However, just getting a person fired because they are not in agreement with the LGBTQIA plus community, I on my side believe it's unfair. But what is your take on this whole matter? Please do like, share, and subscribe.